Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to transfer money with Capitec app. Firstly, download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and register or log into your account. Verify your identity using Capitec card and PIN and log in using the credentials. Once you're logged in, just tap Transact, usually found at the bottom of the screen, and select Payments to access different payment options. Before sending the money to another bank, you need to add the recipient's details. Select Add Beneficiary, enter the recipient's bank details including bank name, branch code, and account number, then verify that all details are correct to avoid errors. Tap Save Beneficiary for future transactions. Now, with the beneficiary added, select the beneficiary from your saved list, enter the amount you want to transfer, review the details carefully to ensure accuracy, then tap Confirm to finalize the transaction. After completing the transfer, you'll receive a notification confirming that your transaction. In most cases, you will also get an SMS confirmation for added peace of mind. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.